Which tires are most fuel efficient? Imagine driving down the road and knowing your tires are helping you save gas while being kind to the environment. That's what choosing the right tires can do for you. When it comes to fuel efficiency, some tires are specially made to reduce the energy your car needs to roll. This means less fuel is used, which saves money and cuts pollution. For teenagers learning about eco-friendly driving habits, picking the best tires is a smart move. The most fuel-efficient tires are designed to lower what's called rolling resistance. That's the force that tries to stop your tires from rolling smoothly. Tires with low rolling resistance use less energy to keep moving. Some of the top options for 2025 include the Michelin Energy Saver AS. It has a special tread compound that reduces friction and makes your ride smoother and quieter. Plus, it lasts a long time, which saves you money over the years. Another great choice is the Bridgestone Ecopia EP for 22+. It is made with eco-friendly materials that help cut energy loss. It also provides good traction and comfort in different weather conditions. Then there is the Continental Pure Contact with Eco Plus technology. This tire balances fuel savings with durability. Its tread design helps the tire last longer and improves gas mileage. The Goodyear Assurance Fuel Max is also popular because it is budget-friendly. It reduces rolling resistance a lot, so you use less gas without sacrificing safety or comfort. When choosing fuel-efficient tires, look for features like a low rolling resistance tread compound, smart tread patterns that keep energy loss low, and lightweight construction. Lighter tires help your car move easier, which saves fuel. For teen drivers, picking these tires is part of practicing eco-friendly driving habits. It helps save money on gas and reduces carbon dioxide emissions. When buying tires, check for labels that say fuel efficiency or eco-friendly. Keeping your tires properly inflated and maintaining them regularly also makes a big difference. Properly inflated tires roll better and last longer, which boosts fuel economy. In the end, the best fuel-efficient tires use special materials and smart designs to cut down on energy loss. They help you save gas, cut pollution, and keep your car running smoothly. For young drivers, making this choice shows responsibility and care for the environment while saving money on every trip.